Have you ever wanted to influence someone, but it felt maybe a little icky, like you were going to manipulate them instead? Well, I'm going to encourage you to join me on Tuesday, April 29th at 11:30 a.m. Pacific time for Influencing with Style. And in that session, it's a 30-minute free webinar where we're going to talk about how do you get a sense of who that other person is, what is it they need from you in order to feel respected and heard, and how can you share information, share ideas, push back in ways that actually come to some kind of resolution or solution or enhanced relationship. So, looking forward to seeing you there Tuesday, April 29th, 11:30 a.m. Pacific time.